Hello folks, I was going to go home, but I forgot about something. Last time I left something in the Evaporust for who knows how long. This time I left in there for about 3 days. And I think I did the video last week, and maybe I'll stitch them together, maybe I won't. But anyway, I'm going to take the stuff out of the Evaporust just to show you, because I'm probably going to forget if I don't. Probably eat in here for a month. So let's grab the bin here. Grab the bin. Put it up here. I'm waiting to drop this bin on the floor one day. I just get all the stuff here. Let me get some gloves. Gloves. Let me get an old rag too. There's an old rag. Remember folks, no glove, no love. Let's see. Hey everybody. Don't forget the cough. Alrighty, should have put them on after. Probably get ripped up doing this. But let's see. Evaporust. I gotta get my bin opener. Alrighty. Let the games begin. Ta-da. There's one. Is in there too long? I don't know. Let's put that on there. Here's the second one. We'll see how wonderful this is. Maybe I should leave it in here for a month. See, I don't know. Evaporust is kind of wonky. I'll show you what I mean. Let me put this back on the floor here. There we go. Right over there. Let me put the camera down a little here. I will show you what I mean. It's a little wonky. Is that good? It seems like it works on some things and doesn't work on other things. I mean, it might be too rusty. Like there's so much rust, I should just scrape it off. There's my little Scooby-Doo brush. I put it away. I think I did. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. There's one. See, I don't know if it's just super crud or what. Like, where's it? Paint? I don't know. It's like it did. It's like it works on some metals and other ones. I don't know. Maybe there's a certain content of some kind of material in here that just, or just this is the way it's supposed to look. See, there's like little, I don't know if you can see in here, it's like it's red, like it's big and thick. I don't know. It says number 2. Number 2 something. Okay, see the crazy, I don't know if it's any better. Right there's a number 2 in there. But it's got a, I tried. I might just, maybe I'll just, what do you call it? There's enough meat on here. I'll probably just sand it down, take a flap disc and flap jacket. Put it in my grinder, wire brush it, and see how it goes. Other than that, I didn't leave it in there for a month. I'm sure I would have etched it even more. So anyway, that's what I put in there. Nothing super special, but it does the job. Like I said, some things, when you leave them in there for 3 months, they work great. Some things, you leave them in there for a couple of days, and it just doesn't do the work. So yeah, It's not terrible. It's all over my hand. Evaporust. I like Evaporust up there. So anyway, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'll make a video. I'm gonna basically, I want to make these things like a mirror finish. Excuse me. And the only way to do that is smooth out. So I figured, yeah, this one should be easy peasy because I can get in there. This one, this side should be no problem. It's the inner side that's going to be like taking all the rust off with a wire wheel would be easy. Polishing the outside would be easy, but the inside, I don't know. I don't think my buffing will get in some of these crevices. So I'm not even sure if it's even possible to get this whole. I mean, it is possible. I could sit here and, oh, you know what? I got a Dremel buffing tool. I could probably get in some spots, but I'll see. Or I'll just clean it up and blacken it with something, with heat and some oil and whatever. It doesn't have to be shiny. Do I want it to be shiny? Yes. I want it to look like one of these. That's my goal. Not this. I don't want it to look like this, but the shine. See, nice and shiny with a little bit of rust. Anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles, and stay tuned, and we'll have more fun with Evaporust soon. Toodles.